I'll get you out of here!
I won't let you destroy this place! Keep going, Ember. We can do this together. I've got this.
It's unstable, we can stop it, but I need to control the flow of its energy. What's the plan, Bao? I can slow it down. The energy's breaking apart.
Keep going, Bao. We're almost there. Together. Together. Hold on, Ember.
I've got your back. We need to hold on, Ember. We can't let the storm get us.
I've got you, Bao. Just stay close. We have to stop it, Ember. Let's go!
I'm with you, Bao. Let's do this.
This is it! We can stop it!
We can help him. Let's do it, Bao. Together.
It's there! We can reach it! Let's do it, Bao!
We've got this. This is it, Ember. We can do this.
We've got you, Colossus.
Please, let us help you. You are not alone.
It's working, Bao.
It's okay. We're here. We're gonna make this right.
You've got this, Bao. We're in this together, Bao. Thank you, Ember.
We did it, Ember. Together. It's not a monster anymore.
Just a big guardian now.
We did it, Ember. The world is healing.
And it's looking a lot brighter already. Thank you, friend, for helping us restore balance.
Yeah, who knew you had such a soft side?
It's working. The world is healing. Everything's coming back to life. It's beautiful.
We did it, Ember. The city is safe now.
It's more than just safe. It's alive again.
We've done good, haven't we?
The best kind of good, Bao. Everything feels right. It feels like we are ready for whatever comes next. Ready?
I think we are already more than ready. The world is full of possibilities, Ember.
Then let's go find them, Bao.